Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make newspaper rolls. First, gather your materials: old newspapers, a ruler, a pencil, and a glue stick. A thin skewer or dowel will also be very helpful for achieving a tight roll. Make sure your workspace is clean and flat, ready for crafting. This easy method will have you rolling in no time, perfect for various projects. Now, let's prepare the newspaper. Lay a single sheet flat on your work surface. Using your ruler and pencil, measure and mark strips that are approximately 3 inches wide. Carefully cut along these lines to create your individual newspaper strips. Consistency in width helps ensure uniform rolls, making your final project look neat and professional. Time to start rolling. Take one of your newspaper strips and place the skewer at one corner at a slight angle. Begin rolling the newspaper tightly around the skewer, keeping the edge straight. Maintain consistent tension to ensure a firm, even roll. This step is crucial for creating strong, durable newspaper rolls for your crafts. Once you've rolled the strip almost completely, apply a thin line of glue along the remaining edge. Press this glued edge down firmly to secure the roll. Hold it for a few seconds to allow the glue to set. Finally, carefully slide your perfectly formed newspaper roll off the skewer. You now have a sturdy, handmade newspaper roll ready for your next creative endeavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.